Hello guys, how are you doing? This is Haya and my channel Taste of Levant. My recipe today is tomato soup with a Palestinian flavor. Let's start. To start our recipe, we need 1 bowl of washed and chopped tomatoes, 2 chopped onion, and 7 pieces of garlic and 1 bell pepper chopped. We spray them with some olive oil and 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and don't forget about your oregano. Set your oven in 400 degrees. Take your vegetable tray to the oven and leave them there for 30 minutes until your vegetables cooked and roasted. Now we got the vegetable out the oven and it's ready to put in the blender. We add 1 big tablespoon tomato paste and half a cup of chicken or meat stock, so we got the blender moving. Place your soup in the pot and over medium heat. Once it starts boiling, add a cup of meat or chicken stock. Leave it again to boil, then add half a cup of cooking cream or half and half cream. If you don't have any of those, use milk, any kind you like. Don't forget the basil for some flavor and decoration.